Hi there. Today I'll be sharing the rather surprising contents of this very big box with you. It's been sent to me by a customer who has commissioned a custom Middie doll. Now, she only needed to send me the doll that she wanted me to customise, but it would appear she got carried away and included some gifts and extras as well. Oh my goodness, everything is gift wrapped inside. This is going to be special. She did tell me that she had put together some little gift bags that she would like me to include with each of the other commissioned dolls that I'll be working on. I can see packages labelled for the Middie, the Petite and the Neo doll sizes. Oh, and there's something for my daughter Evie here as well. Here's a package for me. How exciting! And yes, this is labelled Daisy, which is going to be the name of her Middie doll, so she must be in here. Evie is at school just now, so she'll open it later today. She was delighted with her gifts. She loves to draw and was excited to get these stickers. There's some lovely craft kits and hair decorations as well, some of which she's already taken up to her bedroom. And of course some amazing candy. I hope she's going to share them. Next up is the parcel marked Daisy. There's lots of things in here. One is definitely the doll, and there's fabric and some extras too. She's included some notes about the customization. She would like me to swap out the jointed Middie body for a monst body, which she has included. We've also discussed some extra clothing in our emails back and forth, and she's included fabric that she might like me to use here as well. There's another little packet here with some fake eyelashes that she thinks could be cute with her doll's new blue eyes. She's asked me to make the same type of eyes as I used with my custom Looky-Loo Middie. They'll be completely round and freely positionable, like the original Q-Baby dolls. This set of lashes has pretty blue dyed tips. These will be the doll and the body, but first let's look at these fabrics. Goodness, there are so many in here! She mentions one of the fabrics she wanted was sold out, but it looks like she's found lots of others that will work. There is a solid colour theme here, and the doll herself will be bee themed. Doesn't that sound adorable? She found some amazing bee fabrics and even a set of flannel to make some pyjamas for her too. These prints are incredible. I'll have a lot of fun sewing with these. Okay. Let's have a look at the girl herself. She has beautiful short blonde hair, and of course her body will be replaced if everything goes to plan. I've always admired the monst dolls, but never got one for myself. It's possible to buy the body separately, and the neck has the same ball shape as the jointed Middie body. I've been told that with a little bit of hot glue sueding, this body and the Middie head will be easily compatible. It's a really nice and sturdy little body. It really looks like it will suit a child-style body. Since this is my first time sewing for this body size, I'll have to draft some new patterns. I think it's going to look quite good, don't you? Next up is this parcel for me. Oh gosh, there's lots of things inside. Goodness, is this a second body for me? Okay, the first thing I see here is a package labelled Eyes for D.I.Y. These are quite weighty. It looks like there are a few packets of eye chips that she never ended up using. I'll definitely be able to use these. Thank you so much. There are some really beautiful colours and patterns here. There are a couple of packets here with wire and elastic. I think they're intended for using with ball-jointed elastic strung dolls. And what do we have in here? Some postcards and a lovely letter as well. A lot of care has obviously gone into putting this Happy Mail together. I'm really delighted and I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. I'll definitely have fun customizing your doll for you. We have some stunning postcard views of Wisconsin, the dairy state. I particularly like the cranberry fields and these lovely cows. She even included a magnet, which I've stuck to my pegboard pen pot. Here we have a second monst body that she would like me to keep and that I can use for drafting clothes with. I'll definitely have to try a MIDI head on this too. Here we have a little goodie bag labelled for my mini me. Let's have a look inside. Oh my goodness, there's a ton of hair clips and hair baubles in here. There's even a tiny bee charm on the label. I'll definitely be reusing these. These hairbands and clips are super adorable. Thank you so much. In this next package, we have a head. Oh, it's an extra one that she doesn't need. Well, I can make use of this too. This next bag is marked for Looky Loo. Inside we have a little crocheted cat. It even has a little collar and bell. I love the yarn that she's used. What a cute little cuddle buddy for Lou. And here we have a funky striped scrunchie. I love these ones that look like rabbit ears. And in this bag is a hat made to match our little cuddle buddy. It has tiny ears as well. These are really beautifully made. Thank you so much. Here I got Lou to quickly model her new goodies. I think she deserves a winter coat later this year to go with this new hat. Lou has also got a goodie bag here, full of hairbands and clips. Goodness, She will always have something new to wear. This bag is labelled as Smart Doll sized. Inside, we have another crocheted creature. Oh my goodness, it's a chicken! It's actually a bag with a nice long strap, and the top of it pulls closed with a drawstring. That's so clever. In here, we have some hair clips and hair bands. That's lovely. And this one is another larger scrunchie with the long rabbit ears, but it's made with such a soft and silky fabric. It's really beautiful. I might steal this one for myself. I'm really so impressed with this little bag. I just love little creatures and bags with faces. So adorable. This label says, emotional support for your mini-me. Oh my goodness, it's another chicken. Look at this little guy. That's just so adorable. She'll definitely be cuddling this. And here is another bag. This one has a shorter strap, just right for Blythe. And finally, another lovely scrunchie. Beautiful fabric again. Here is my mini-me cuddling her cuties. She's very happy with them. Thank you so much. Finally, we have the gift bags for the custom dolls and their new owners. I'll go through these fairly quickly, starting with the gifts for the petite size dolls. These gifts really are so generous, I'm blown away. There are tiny little hairbands, clips and scrunchies inside, even with crocheted decoration. I won't take everything out, but again, each label has a different coloured bee charm. It must have taken so long to put all of these together. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much again. Next up is a bag of gifts for the midi size dolls. Oh, what's this? There's some lavender inside? It smells really good. Ah, my lights are too bright. The clips in this bag are slightly larger and I can see some different ones inside. A watermelon and an ice lolly too. Golly, you must have an amazing collection of clips at home. These are going to make such sweet, sweet gifts for the custom dolls. I can see an avocado hair clip in there and a beautiful bow with beads inside it. How pretty! Finally, there are the goodie bags for the Neo-size dolls. I see a crocheted daisy hair clip. And this one's made from a super soft fabric. It's very stretchy. I bet this could be used as a headband or as a hair tie. She's been careful to include a little bit of everything in each bag, so everyone will get a nice mix. Here's another avocado. This bag has lots of nice blue colours. and this bag is very pastel pink coloured. There's a pineapple hair clip in there. I love these watermelons. And the daisy hair clips too, they're very detailed. Again, I'm blown away by your generosity. Thank you so much. Before I leave, let's quickly test the compatibility of the monst body and the Middie head using the body and head that I was given today. She included the plastic cups and doohickeys that clip over the ball on the neck, so I can clip those on first. It's an easy fit with a little wiggle room. I'm not getting the glue gun out just now, but I can tell that a smear of glue would increase the friction in there just a touch. I'm not sure if there's any difference front or back, but I struggled to get the head to close the first time, so I switched it round and tried again. Oh, that's much better. Yeah, there's a little wobble there until I get the glue gun out, but it looks good proportionally. There's a colour difference with the head looking more pink, but when I come to customising Daisy, I'll keep this in mind and try to match the colours together using pan pastels. What do you think of this rebody? Have you got any of the monst dolls? And would you be interested in some sewing patterns for this body? I'll be happy to share my patterns if there's enough demand. Well, thanks again so much for this whole Happy Mail. I look forward to customising Daisy and will be sharing the progress over on Patreon in the custom doll tier. Huge thanks to all my supporters over on Patreon and to everyone watching here. Please let me know what you thought of today's incredible box of goodies in a comment below, and take care. I'll see you again soon. Bye.